Musical note: hello TikTok creators. In this guide, we will reveal the secret to downloading TikTok videos without that annoying watermark. Start. Musical note: Step 1, find video, open the TikTok app on your phone, find the video you want to download. Step 2, copy video link, tap the share button, usually represented by an arrow, on the video, select copy link from the sharing options. Step 3, visit the download website, open your web browser, visit the Synaptic website. Step 4, paste the link on the downloader's website. Paste the copied link into the field provided, click the download button. Step 5, save video, choose your preferred video quality, if available. Download videos to your device. Musical note: voila! You have successfully saved the TikTok video without watermark. Share your creativity far and wide. Musical note: don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.